Hey Insulators, we're on site today with Ryan McCann. He's with Koala of Central Atlanta, and we've been out here with them. They're doing an extraction job preparing a house for spray foam. We appreciate your business over the past year. What's your experience been in the insulation, and what more can we do to help you out?
Well, I think first, I didn't come up from the insulation business. I kind of came from the CPG company. And so I really had to learn this business. And Barry has just been an absolute fantastic resource for us to really help us learn the business. He's available all the time when we call him. He's willing to jump in and help us out to keep us running and taking care of our customers.
Awesome, thanks. Well, that's good to know. And yeah, if there's anything else we can help you out with as far as training and all that, just let us know.
Yeah, thanks. Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you.